1996 Porsche 911 993 Carrera 2 X51 3.8. C16 UK supplied right-hand drive 6-speed manual 993 Carrera 2 indicating just 65,986 miles from new. Desirable high spec with factory X51 3.8 engine upgrade, sharing components with a 3.8 RS. Other factory upgrades include M303 sport suspension, sports exhaust system with dealer upgrade RS aero kit and 18-inch speedline wheels. Finish in triple black, Schwarz metallic paintwork with black leather and black carpets. Offered from 20 years of long-term ownership, the X51 package is seldom seen.